What's up guys, welcome back to Harry's Hobbies, where today I've got some cheeky Lego from the Ahsoka show here. It's the old Death Trooper and Night Trooper battle pack. Very small. The battle packs tend to sort of vary in size these days. Back in my day, when I was a kid, they were all sort of the same decent size. You know, I had them first two that come out, the droid one, the clone one. Good times. But this is alright as well. Quality of the figures is cooler now, isn't it? But that's what we're going to get to. This is my first ever Lego video. I'm quite a Lego fan, I've got quite a lot of stuff. But because it's very small set, I think I'll try a sort of time lapse of the build and we'll see how we get on with that. So here we have it. First off, I'll go through the figs. You've got these two stormtroopers here. One with the white helmet, one with the dark helmet. Nice bit of variation there. They've all got this weird zombie face, which I vaguely remember from the show, but not a lot. It was a bit, it was alright. Wasn't the best Star Wars ever, not the worst. So these are identical besides the helmets. And then we've got the two dark troopers, which are identical as well, except this one has a long rifle, so a bit of variation there in the weapons. And we've got the transport, which is, you know, it's very small. I don't know what it's really based off from Star Wars, is it? But it kind of looks like those old battle pack transports you got, but much smaller, as all Lego is going that way, unfortunately. It's alright, you know, you can get the lads, oh god, I can't even fit him on here. Move the wing out of the way. You can get the lads in there. There you go. And you can, oh wow, that's really bad. Is he meant to be sitting down? Yeah, okay, he does fit in there. I thought he didn't for a moment. I'll take his blaster away. So, there you go, put the other chaps around the side. And you've got weapon storage here. That's how it's meant to go in. That's alright. Yeah. There they are, ready for action. It's also got these little stud shooters, little play feature, which I will not be using because I'm nearly 30. So if you want to see that, you've got to buy it yourself. Sorry about that. But yeah, the vehicle's not great. It kind of looks like one of those weird flying transport things you see in some of the shows. I think in the Clone Wars and some other shit. But yeah, what you really want is the figs, which are awesome. Very detailed. Very nice. Cool. Stay frosty.